It's another vlog. 2 years ago, we have an vlog regarding softbox, how to assemble the softbox. Now, guys, we have a softbox that easy to fold and easy to unfold. So, without further ado, but again, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I upload regarding photo, video, and tutorial. So, let's start now, guys. First, the softbox that we have here that easy to fold and unfold is this one, the Valido umbrella. We have softbox, octabox, strip box, name it, guys. We have a different sizes from 95, 85, 105 to 120, 60 by 90, and one strips 30 by 35 by 120. Think. So, and I'll show you the softbox. Okay, so this is the softbox. This is the bag. We have already bag. And the good thing of Valido softbox, guys, is you have already a grid. Comes already with a grid, so it's very nice. That's you have a free grid. You have the soft diffusion, the back. So this is the softbox. Softbox, guys. It's like an umbrella type. Just check this one. And push and done. Now you have already a softbox to your Bowens mount lights like Godox, Spotex, Aperture, non-light, name it, guys, any Godox mounting, it fits on the Valido softboxes or Valido Umbra. So we have again softbox, octa, strip box. Yeah, we have. Then after that, okay, you'll put the diffuser. Diffuser. Easy to fold. It's easy to put the diffuser. You have two diffuser, one here, and the other one will be in the strips. So that's it for today, guys. Again, you have already your softbox with a grid, easy to fold and easy to unfold. Yeah, you want to unfold, just press here and then you unfold already your softbox. And guys, so I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, check our Valido. If you want to check all the sizes, you can visit our website www.avworld.com. So yeah, just type Valido Umbra, then you will find all the sizes and available sizes and softbox of Valido brand. Yeah, Valido. So that's it for today, guys. Again, next time shoutout kay sa likod ng ating camera na si Mazen. Yan. And so thank you. Hanggang dito lang. Mabuhay.